In these next 4 videos, we are going to be looking at multiple 2D geometry problems that challenge you to use what you've already known about quadrilaterals, circles, and triangles to help you figure out the side lengths and areas. So here is our first problem. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to BC. Point D is the midpoint of both BC and AE, and CE is 11 units long. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ECD. What is the length of BD? Now I want you to pause the video and try to solve this on your own, using what we've already known from triangles, circles, and quadrilaterals. As you may have guessed, in here we're going to be using triangles. And one of the main things we learned when solving triangles is similarity. So here, let's try to look for similarity among these triangles. First, we have to reread the problem. Triangle ABC is isosceles, so AB and BC are equal to each other. D is the midpoint of both BC and AE. So if BD we called A, DC would also be A. This means that AB would be 2A. CE is 11 units long. So what is the length of BD? Essentially, we're trying to find what is A. Here, is there any similarity or equivalent relationships that we can find? Well, as you can see, the problem already stated that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ECD. Congruency is a type of similarity. And let's think about what parts of them are corresponding. Well, we know that these two angles must be the same, and these two angles must be the same, and these two angles must be the same. That means that EC and AB equal each other. AB is equal to EC. Now we know that AB is 2A and EC is 11. Therefore, if we solve for A, we have A is equal to 5.5. Therefore, the length of BD is 5.5 units long. As you can see, by using similarity of triangles, we were able to solve this problem with ease. Now, the important thing is to first find the equivalent relationships and pay attention whenever the problem brings up congruency or similarity. Also, a very important part was setting variables. Sometimes there are many different ways to help yourself label problems and geometry figures, but in my personal opinion, using variables is the most helpful because you never know when you have to use variables to help you solve using algebra, and you try to use as less variables as possible. That is problem 1, and we'll see you in the next video.